Introduction of the remote ID scanner. The app needs to be used with that one device. We can use Deer 1 to detect the information of the drone. Now let me show you how it works. First of all, press and hold the power button to power on Deer 1. The power indicator lights up. Next, open the remote ID scanner app. Search for Bluetooth in the upper right corner of the app. The Bluetooth name is Read Scanner. Click to connect. After the device is successfully connected, the icon in the upper right corner of the app turns green. When a drone is turned on nearby, one will display the information of the aircraft on the app when detecting it. APP Outdoor Test Video.